Here's how to create a wavy text effect in free Davinci Resolve version 20. Go over to your effects tab, go to titles, click and drag over the text plus, right click, open in Fusion page. Select template, hit shift and space bar together. In the search box at the bottom, type wave, make sure the effect is selected and click add. And you'll see that it's now added down below. So on the right side, there's our settings we can play with. Let's change the waviness type from vertical to horizontal. I'm gonna bring the scale down a little bit. The strength is making the waves whiter. So we're gonna keep that really low so it's subtle. The speed is what we're looking to change. And I'm gonna drop that down so the wave speed is a little softer. Now what's missing is having the style on the text. And we're gonna go back to this template node and have it selected. Then all of our options to mess with it are on the right side again. I don't like the font, so I'm gonna change that to something else. Now I want to add an outline to my text, and we're going to go over to the shading tab, and you'll see the option select element. We're going to click on number 2. We're going to enable that and then change the color of this outline. I'm going to set it to black, and then I'm going to change the thickness so it looks a little more cartoony. And the last thing we're going to add is a drop shadow. If you go back to the top under select element and click number 3, you'll see the name of the effect for black shadow, and we're going to enable that. And by default, that doesn't look half bad, so we're going to run with it. We can go back to the timeline by just clicking the edit tab down below. Now we can see our text in the timeline we're working on. And the way to save this, if you want to use it again, is to click and drag it into your media pool. It'll show up as text plus, but I want to be able to change the name so I remember what that text effect is. So in our timeline, select the text we just made, go to the top right where it says file, and you'll see you can change the name there. I'm going to change it to text_wavy. I see that it applied the name in the timeline. Now I'm going to click and drag this back into the media pool like we did earlier, and I can remove this guy. And if it's a new day and you're in a new timeline, click and drag that text back in, and it'll be just the same as when you left it.